Alright, are you ready? I'm going to show you another way to get going on this thing for free. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to clickbank.com. So let's go. Alright, so once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll head over to your marketplace. And it's going to look a lot like this, right? And then you're just going to pick one of these many categories you have to choose from. I picked software and services. And for the purpose of today's, we're going to go with video. So then we'll scroll through these. We'll see what we got going on here. Alright. And I'm kind of feeling sales video creator. So this top link is the offer page. This link is the affiliate page. So we'll come over here. We'll click on promote. Then open up this little window and generate our hop link. You're going to put in your nickname and a tracking ID if you want one. I like to, just so I know where stuff's coming from. Click generate hop link. There it is. This is your link. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this link and you're going to jump over to a little place known as Pinterest. We're going to drop our link right here. Paste that bad boy in. Little description. What do we have going on? Sales video creator. Check out this cool video software I found. Then we're going to head back over to one of my favorite places, pexels.com. We're going to grab a video this time. Why are we grabbing a video? Because video is what everybody seems to be pushing right now. Do a quick search. I like this one here. Let's see this one. Perfect. I like it. Download. Alright, our video is done downloading. Click this little bell right here. We'll put our video right here. Go into our downloads. Grab our little video. Open. And then pick a board. Create a board. Software ideas. Create. Publish. And there's our video created right there. We've made a pin with a video, and as you can see, the video is 24 seconds long. We'll go see our pin, see how it looks. And then if we click on this, it's going to take us straight to our offer page. That's it. It's that simple. So now that you've gone through and made your pin with your video, one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to visit the link. And what we're going to do here is just quickly make sure that the link is working properly, and if somebody goes through and purchases, that we're going to get credit for the purchase. So we're on the offer page, and what you want to do is you want to find the button that goes through the action. Here we are. We're going to click the button to say we want to buy it. and it's going to take us to the order page where we'll check out if we're buying it. But instead of buying it, what we're doing is we're going to the bottom and we're looking for our affiliate tag, which is right here. So this is something that you should do on every offer you post to make sure that your hop link is going to work and you're going to get credit for it. Because it's going to suck if you start putting stuff out there and then people are buying and you don't get anything for it because you didn't double check this one simple thing. Sounds simple, but believe me, I've been reading about it. It happens. So there you go. That's all I got. Make sure you test your stuff. Make sure you're going to get credit for what you're trying to do. All right? So you're probably wondering, why did we just make a pin with a video, right? So here's the thing. With the rise of TikTok, everybody is pushing video right now. Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, they're all pushing video algorithms. So basically, long and short of it, is that's why we posted with a video. I'm going to have some information down in the subject line of this video, so if you want to know more, you go ahead and check it out. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.